Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide and show UI elements in a Wix website using the Layers panel so you can manage your complex designs, clean up your mobile layout, and keep your professional tutorials and market analysis pages perfectly organized in 2026. Let's get into it. First, open the Wix Studio Editor and access the Layers panel. The first step is finding the structural map of your website. In 2026, the Layers panel is the most efficient studio tool for managing elements that are stacked on top of each other or nested within deep containers. Log in to your Wix Studio Editor, move your cursor to the left sidebar, and click on the Layers icon. It looks like 3 stacked squares. The panel will slide out, showing a hierarchical list of every section, container, image, and text box currently on your page. Instead of clicking around the canvas and accidentally moving things on your PC, the Layers panel gives you a candid bird's-eye view. It allows you to find hidden items or small icons that are otherwise hard to grab with a mouse. Next, locate the element you wish to hide. Within the Layers panel, you can see how your site is built from the background up. Finding your target here ensures you are hiding the exact component you want without affecting its neighbors. Scroll through the Layers list. You can click the small arrows next to Sections or Containers to expand them and see the individual elements inside. Hover over the name of the element. You will see it highlight in blue on your main canvas. Next, toggle the Hide icon. Once you've found your element in the list, you can change its visibility with a single click. This Don't Display feature is a powerful way to A/B test different looks for your software guides. Look to the right of the element's name in the Layers panel. You will see an icon that looks like an eye. Click the eye icon to hide the element. The icon will change to a crossed-out eye, and the element will instantly disappear from your workspace. Hiding an element this way removes it from the visual flow. In 2026, Wix Studio is smart enough to collapse the space that the hidden element took up, ensuring your market analysis charts or tutorial text shifts up to keep the layout tight and professional. And that's pretty much it. To hide or show elements in 2026, simply open the Layers panel on the left side of Wix Studio, find the element you want to modify in the list, and click the eye icon to toggle its visibility. Use this method in Mobile View to hide bulky items specifically for smaller screens, and remember that the Layers panel is the only place to find and show hidden items later. Finally, hit Publish to take your professional, optimized design live. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.